What's up, guys? Nick Rapazzi here. Thank you for tuning into the channel. So today I'm going to meet up with another YouTuber named Damien. He's down in North Haven. That's where his shop is. He's got an LS swap to 350Z and a bunch of other shit. I'm pretty sure he just moved into the shop that he's in now, but I've been trying to link up with different YouTubers, and he's actually the closest one around. Most of the ones that I've been like talking to, like the guys out in Pennsylvania, Send It Steve, and then I talked to C Gardner Speed. He's down in like South Carolina, North Carolina, and it just seems everybody seems to be far away. So it's gonna be kind of nice to get together with somebody who's close, with the same interest with cars and stuff. He does a lot more drifting stuff, where I like more road racing, drag racing, and stuff like that. But I was in the drift scene big back when I LS swapped my RX-7, which I don't have much footage of. But if I can find any, I'll throw a couple clips in here of that car and the little bit of the build process. It was a pretty simple build. It was heads, cam, intake, exhaust. It made it was like 470 to the wheels, and the car weighed like 2,600 pounds. It was a gutted RX-7, so it flew for what it was, but it was a death trap. I was tired of swap cars, and that's how I ended up with a Corvette. So let's get some fuel. I gotta get a Monster, and I need to wake up a little bit. Got up really early this morning to make sure I was done with work on time. So let's get this going. Yeah, mine's the same way. If I don't turn it on and idle it, it'll just die. Just as loud. It's just as loud as mine.
I never hear it from the outside.
Yeah.
I guess
That's good.
Exhaust.
Yeah. The X-pipe will get rid of the rasp. Yeah. Yeah, no. When it was echoing inside the building, it was loud as fuck.
Oh, yeah.
Loud as fuck. But I don't know. I've also never seen or heard an LS that went into a single pipe.
Really?
I made mine dual.
Hey, yours is dual to an X. And then...
Yeah, dual again. And I did the same thing when I had my RX-7. It was dual to an X, back to dual again.
This is a wide pipe, man. It's like right in the middle.
Yeah.
That's the loudest part of this thing.
It backfires like a bitch.
This is a Rice tune.
Yeah.
So you could drive it on the street. Yeah, she's still not warmed up. It goes though.
Sounds like just gunshots going off.
Yeah, I come here sometimes to like do like donuts real quick and then leave. So they're probably only trying to get my license plate. But I ain't got no license plate, boy.
Dude, this thing got some good ass brakes on it, bro.
Really? I didn't think it did.
It's stopping a lot faster than I thought it would.
That lady hates my guts.
I would imagine, bro.
No, like she hated me before I even fucking like did anything. I moved in and she called the cops.
Really?
Like I literally was moving into here, moving the cars in and out to like move shit around, and she called the cops.
The fuck did the cops say?
Like she's a bitch. She does this all the time.
Dude, I had the same thing happen to me with this thing. So like,
Yeah, now the idle's like where it should be.
where I live next to the complex next to me is like a 55 and up fucking place. These motherfuckers call the cops all the fucking time. Like, we can't do nothing.
Really?
Yeah. Because I had it decibel tested to make sure it was still legal in Connecticut.
Was it not?
No, it is.
Oh, really? That is?
Yeah.
What?
Yeah.
Oh, so I'm good then.
Yeah.
What the fuck
Well, the thing about the decibel thing is like they have to test you at 35 miles an hour. So if I go fucking 6th gear, 35 miles an hour, it's barely idling.
Oh, really?
It's
I thought
actually
it was
quieter.
just like you had to go at like 35 RPM or something.
No.
I probably need plugs again, to be honest. I don't know.
Seems like it's idling, alright.
Yeah, that's the idle. Got my ignition at fucking like 0 degrees right now. Yeah, I mean,
Dude, it sucks you can't register this thing though.
yeah, but my dad lives in Florida and I'm going there for my birthday, so I might actually be able to register it when I go down there.
Yeah, like
I gotta send mail down there first though,
Yeah.
like addressed to me. This guy over here, he's literally swimming. Oh yeah. She still fucking smokes black.
Dude, this
Yeah,
thing's
I
sick.
think it's time for new plugs already. I'm not gonna get another
drop the
fucking
phone.
gas gun.
Ah, dude. Ugh. Dude, yeah, because it's fucking retarded to change the plugs on these fucking things.
You all built all these muscle cars and of course by like AC Delco. So I went and bought AC Delco Iridiums. They're fucking $78.
Oh yeah, they're not cheap. Not fucking cheap.
And I did that whole drift event with no.
Dude, this sounds fucking good. So this right here is this 5.3 350Z, and then my 6.0 straight pipe. They're both straight pipe. As you've seen, I've talked about my exhaust more than enough for you guys.
my car started moving back. Oh fuck. Here, do that again. You see my car start moving back?
Bro, I start revving it. I'm like, yo, you should roll it.
I don't have an e-brake. Here, do that again. I was greasing yours this way. Here, fuck it. Here, just take mine, dude. That's funny as fuck. It's still recording.
Dude, when his shit just started rolling. Dude, when that shit just started rolling, I was dying. I'm like, bro, your shit's rolling, your shit's rolling.
I just think it's funny that it didn't roll until your car friggin' revved.
Yeah.
That's funny as hell. Your exhaust has some bass, dude.
Oh my god, bro. Dude, that was fucking hilarious. Oh my god, bro. Dude, when this shit started rolling, bro, I was like, what the fuck is going on? That shit was funny as fuck, though. But so we're parking our stuff right now. I gotta grab another GoPro battery. As you see, I got the charger here. Gonna go inside, show me a couple videos and shit. Nah, he got a cool ass story with his old garage. Sucked that didn't work out too well, but nah, definitely a fun time coming down here. So let's get in there, park the car, and check with you guys in a little bit. Alright guys, so I hope you enjoyed that collaboration today. It was definitely nice meeting somebody else who does YouTube that's in Connecticut and is into cars and LS stuff as well. So I just got home. I'm gonna hop on and play some Call of Duty with my brother, and I gotta eat. So I picked up Chipotle on my way home too, because I did stop at the gym, because as you guys know, I am training for the bodybuilding competition coming up in April, so trying to stay on track of that and do this YouTube stuff, work, and fucking cook all at the same time is keeping me busy as hell. So hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe. I will talk to y'all later. Peace.